No, you headed for a red arrow. Hey, stop sign. Stop sign. City of Woburn, stop sign. What department that is. Deputy Superintendent. Yeah, nice. What the hell are you doing? It's not a passing zone. Stop sign! Didn't even try. Stop sign. Subaru. Thank you. Toyota. It's not a parking space. Freaking morons. Oh! What the hell was that for? Yeah, wow. That was close. Jesus. Stupid, fucking stupid. Ah! Shithead. It's a red light runner. No, you had a red. You didn't, yeah, you just made an illegal U-turn. Yep. Nice. Stop sign, stop sign. Stop a sign. Stop the sign, stop the sign. Now you gotta stop. Thank you. Thank you. Stay on the side of a friggin' road. There's no left turn there, you dummy. And you're not gonna stop by, yeah. Nope. 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 Thank you. Yeah, I saw that lady. I see her on the phone also. Hey! Nice job. Nice job, Camry.
Got her reunified with her owner, Drew. One theory about
reunified.
Someone found her, microchipped her, and then dropped her off at the old address. Both families say she would have had to cross a river at some point.
We're going to merge, kids. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How dare we hold up a Corolla? So friggin' sorry, dude. Jesus! Just let him know he's number one. Yeah, that's next dive. Hey, 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 hey. Was this a pass-fail? I think it was a pass-fail. Fuck you too. Exit dive to your turd. Hey, you just got out of that lane, dummy. Asshole, you're an asshole. Turning your CDL, you're an asshole. You shut your fucking blinker off, dude. Oh god, that's irritating as all hell. Shut up, you blinker. Thank you. Congratulations, you made the... ran the red light. Ran the right on red. Nice, block the intersection and everything, and go straight from the left turn lane and everything. Go ahead. I usually got this guy coming. Thank you. There's someone coming! Christ's sake. What the hell was that for, you dumbass? Da, 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 da. Because Toyota! Ah, nice. Is this what? Yeah, exit dive. Yeah. Yeah, turn signals. They work great, don't they? You a moron. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. You douche. Do you know what don't walk means? Fucking old people. Asshole Rama. Stop. You've got fucking flashing red, stupid. And to cut everybody off, go ahead. Straight from the turn lane. You're a douchebag. You're an Audi driver. Princess. Stop before you turn. Stop before you turn. Straight from the wrong lane. Dumbass! Friggin' dumbass! Dumbass! Friggin' dumbass! Do you mind? Idiot. No turns. Thank you. No turns, ass face. That wasn't necessary. Stop. That was not a stop. This is a stop. There we go. That was not a stop. What the hell are you doing, dude? I'm gonna go. Jeep's trying to cut through. Jeep is cutting through. Got him nowhere faster. And he go at the stop sign. Oh, douchebag! And that was a red light runner. Pretty sure there's no left turn there. I will have to check when I go around. What are you doing? Yeah, there's no left turn there. And you use the parking lot for a U-turn. Yay! Yeah, I'm here, stupid.